Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we have the Skydio 2 and we will be doing a quick speed test. So let's go airborne. And mind you, the speedometer is at the top left corner of the screen. So let us gain altitude here. All right, let us go forward now that we've gained enough altitude. We are at about 18.3, sorry. I saw 18.3 miles an hour. It will not go further than 18.3 miles, or rather 18.4 miles, which is a little bit discouraging, given that most of the DJI drones will go up to 35 miles an hour. However, if you are in the track mode and under the skill set, you select, say for example, the cable function, you set up your point A and point B, you can use the speed bar as you see me moving at the bottom of your screen. You see that you can travel for up to 22 miles an hour, which is a little bit impressive there. So generally speaking, while flying your drone, you can go to a max speed of about say 18-19 miles an hour. But when doing say the track mode and you select your function, cable, orbit, you can determine what speed you want it to travel at, and it has a max of about 22 miles an hour. So there you go, guys. You have your your Skydio 2. I'm sorry about that. I'm thinking about my DJI drone here. Your Skydio 2 can travel at a max speed of about 22 miles an hour. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video.